Hi there, I'm Lynn from 𝐂𝐡𝐞𝐿 Sewing, and I'm here to show you how to lock and unlock the casters on your sewing furniture from 𝐂𝐿 Sewing. It's super simple, but we want to make sure you know exactly how they work so you can stabilize and secure your workstation. Your cabinets will be outfitted with one of two types of casters. Heavy-duty casters like you see on the door of the Wallaby sewing cabinet, or industrial-grade casters like you see on the mod embroidery arm storage cabinet. By locking the casters, I'm creating stability in my workstation, which means less vibrations and straighter stitches. Also, if I were going to be ironing or cutting during a session, I'm going to want a stable workstation to improve the quality of my work and to add additional safety to my studio. It's this simple. To lock the caster, you'll need to flip the locking mechanism down. To unlock the casters, if you're going to be moving your cabinet around your studio, you'll need to flip the locking mechanism up. Down to lock, up to unlock. And that's how you lock the casters on your sewing furniture from 𝐂𝐿 Sewing. Thanks for watching. Happy sewing.